The day after Christmas!
Oh, I understand, boys. You wish you can eat Christmas every day.
No!